ground and mud on your hands. Take another breath and make another try. You think you're gonna break and you think you're gonna die. Get off the dirt and listen to the crowd screaming your name, scream it out loud. I know you think you can, I know you think you're done, but we can't stop until we won. You're not alone, we're not afraid. This is our moment, it won't come again. So lean on me and find your feet. We will not accept defeat. When your body's screaming out and your hope is fading now, and the lights are dimming down and your strength is waning, raise your eyes, tell your mind to lift yourself one more time. Gotta get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. The battle soon begins. You've come this far to win. Source the power within. Unleash it all again. Returning to the fight. Victory inside. The crowd will soon ignite. So light up the night. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Your hands are weak, you're barely hanging on, but your body still wants more. Sweat in your eyes, your mind sharp as a knife. You're built to carry on. This battle will be won. When your body's screaming out and the hope is fading now, and the light is dimming down and your strength is waning, raise your eyes one more time. Gotta get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. When your body's screaming out and your hope is fading now, and the light is dimming down and your strength is waning, raise your eyes one more time. Gotta get up, get up, get up.
Man izdevās arī uz brīdi nozagt Aivaru Šmokstelī, kurš, es domāju, ir daudzu skatītāju favorīts. Redzēsim, ko viņš teiks un ar ko viņš šodien gribēs padalīties. Čau, Aivar!
Čau!
Kā tu jūties pēc šī posma?
Pašreiz labi, ļoti labi.
Klau, nu kā jau visiem, arī taviem konkurentiem, ir ļoti lieli mērķi, un kādi ir tavi šajā gadā?
Nu, man ir nospraust savus mērķus, ko es gribu sasniegt, bet es nevienam nestāstu to mērķi, lai nav tā pēc tam, jo nesasniegšu to mērķi beigās un visu ha. Labāk ir paklusēt un citreiz paklusēt un sasniegt to mērķi. We are the champions.